Good morning to all of you. So in the last class, we are discussing the sum of the problems in steady state error constants. And today we are discussing the remaining problems. So next problem, for a negative feedback control system, so given g of s is equal to 10 by s into 1 plus 0.4 s. And the feedback also given. So h of s is equal to 5 by s plus 4. So ikkada unity feedback control system ఇవ్వలేదు. So in there is another feedback h of s is equal to 5 by s plus 4. Determine the steady state error when the input is r of t is equal to 1 plus 3t plus 4t squared. Emma, first in the given main forward transfer function g of s, and this is the feedback h of s, and the input signal 1 plus 3t plus 4t squared. So in this t domain is converted to s domain. First thing in the t domain is converted to s domain. So first, what is the formula of steady state error? Steady state error formula enti? Limit s tends to 0, s into r of s by 1 plus g of s h of s, r of s by 1 plus g of s into h of s. So in this formula ఏమేం డేటా ఉంది మనకి? సో r of s is also there, g of s is also there, h of s also there. So first in the r of t is converted to s domain, apply inverse Laplace transform. Apply Laplace transform. So r of t is equal to 1 plus 3 into t plus 4 into t square. So apply Laplace transform. R of t is changed from r of s. R of s is equal to Laplace transform of 1 entamma 1 by s. Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s plus Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square. Laplace transform of t square 1 by s power 3. So Laplace transform of 1 by s, t 1 by s square, t square 1 by s power 3. So g of s is already there. What is g of s value? 10 by s into 1 plus 0.4 s. H of s h of s value is 5 by s plus 4. So substitute all the values in the formula. So ESS is equal to limit s tends to 0, s into r of s is 1 by s plus 3 by s square plus 4 by s power 3 divided by 1 plus Emma, g of s value is 10 by 1 plus 0.4 s into s. 10 by s into 1 plus 0.4 s into h of s is 5 by s plus 4. 5 by s plus 4. Then g of s into h of s. So separate the three terms. So three terms ni manam ippudu separate cheyali. Okay. So first g Laplace transform of s into 0, s tends to 0, s into 1 by s by the denominator term, and the s into 3 by s square term, and 4 by s power 3 term. So separate all the terms. Wait 1 minute. So steady state error ESS is equal to limit s tends to 0, s tends to 0, s r of s is 1 by s plus 3 by s square plus 4 by s power 3 divided by 1 plus g of s is 10 by s into 1 plus 0.4 s. H of s is 5 by s plus 4. So in the s into first term, so s into second term, s into third term, so separated all the terms. So limit s tends to 0, s into 1 by s by, so in the take LCM in the denominator, s into 1 plus 0.4 s into s plus 4. Emma, so in the take LCM 1, so s into 1 plus 0.4 s into s plus 4 plus 10 into 5, so 50. S is cancelled. Emma, so s is cancelled. So s value is substitute 0, and the second limit s tends to 0. S into 3 by s square divided by this equation plus limit s tends to 0, s into 4 by s power 3 divided by, so s into 1 plus 0.4 s into s plus 4 plus 50 by s into 1 plus 0.4s plus s plus 4. So substitute all the values and the steady state error is infinity. Emma ఒక్కసారి సాల్వ్ చేసి చూడండి. సో s value 0 substitute first one, second term and the third terms. The three terms is 0. So the steady state error will be the infinity. And the next problem, for a unity feedback closed loop control system, g of s is equal to k into s plus 2 by s square into s square plus 7s plus 12. Determine what type of the system given to rise a constant steady state error. So in the given transfer function, what type of the system is given to rise a constant steady state error? And the second one, static error constants. Third one, steady state error when the input is parabolic signal. So what type of system? Cheppandi, what type of the system? So the type of the system is, so in the given transfer function, g of s is equal to k into s plus 2 by s square into s square plus 7s plus 12. So in this transfer function, so good 18, roll number 18, type 2 system is good. So the type 2 system, so s square, there are two poles meet at origin. So in the given transfer function, number of poles meet at origin is the type of the system. So ikkada s square, so s power n in the denominator equation, s power n is equal to 2, type 2 system. N is equal to 0, type 0. N is equal to 1, type 1. Type 2 system, first point, what type of system given rise to constant steady state error? Type 2 system kabatti, type 2 system will have constant steady state error. Will have constant steady state error. Emma, type 2 system kabatti, type 2 system will have constant steady state error. Constant steady state error when the input is unit parabolic. Roll number 13, good. So unit parabolic signal. So the unit parabolic signal input, type 2 system will have constant steady state error. Emma, first point is completed. Next, calculate the positional error constant. Calculate the velocity error constant. Calculate the acceleration error constant. What is positional error constant? Limit s tends to 0, g of s, h of s. What is velocity error constant? Limit s tends to 0, s G of S, H of S. What is acceleration? Limit S tends to 0, S square, G of S, H of S. So substitute cheddamamma G of S. H of S is unity feedback control system. So unity feedback control system. So limit S tends to 0. G of S is K into S plus 2 by S square into S square plus 7S plus 12. So S value is substitute 0. So K by 0, it is positional error constant is infinity. And the velocity limit S tends to 0. Limit S tends to 0. K into S plus 2 by S square into S square plus 7S plus 12. So put S is equal to 0. Same K equal to S kadamma. So 1S will be cancelled. K by 0 is infinity. And the third one, acceleration, limit S tends to 0. S square K into S plus 2 by S square into S square plus 7S plus 12. S square cancel. So S is take from 0. So K into 2 by, in the first term 0 value, second value 0, third 12, 1 and 6. So acceleration error constant Ka is equal to K by 6. This is the value of acceleration error constant. Next, third step find the steady state error when the input is unit parabolic signal. Unit parabolic signal ichinapudu steady state error formula enti? What is the formula of steady state error? When the input is accelerate parabolic signal. So 1 by K suffix A. So acceleration error constant ippude calculate chesam manam. So 1 by K by 6. This is the steady state error when the input is parabolic signal. Okay. So next, the open loop transfer function of a servo mechanism with unity feedback G of S is equal to 10 by S into 1 plus 0.1 S. Evaluate the static error constants of the system and also obtain the steady state error when the input is A0 plus A1T plus A2T square by 2. Okay. So ikkada manaki oka open loop transfer function ichadu. So ee open loop transfer function calculate the static error constants. So first, the given open loop transfer function G of S is equal to 10 by S into 1 plus 0.1 s. So first, which type of the system given to rise a constant steady state error? Which type of system given to rise a constant steady state error? So in this transfer function, s power 1, type 1 system, type 1 system, type 1 system will have constant steady state error. Type 1 system will have constant steady state error. When the input is ramp signal, when the input is ramp signal, roll number 13, good. Type 1 system will have constant steady state error when the input is unit ramp signal. Okay, so and next one, the given input R of t is equal to A naught plus A1t plus A2 t square by 2. T square by 2. So in this t domain is converted to s domain, apply the Laplace transform. A naught is constant, 1 is 1 by s, plus A1 is constant, t is 1 by s square. A2 by 2 is constant, 1 by s power 3. So first, find the positional error constant, velocity error constant, and the acceleration error constants. Okay, and the find the steady state error, limit s tends to 0, s into r of s by 1 plus g of s h of s. So r of s already given, g of s is already given, h of s is unity feedback, so h of s value is 1. This is the problem to find the standard and what are the time domain specifications. Time response of first order system when the inputs unit step signal, unit ramp signal, and the unit parabolic signal. So in the three and impulse signal. So unit step signal ఇచ్చినప్పుడు time response, unit ramp signal ఇచ్చినప్పుడు time response, unit parabolic signal ఇచ్చినప్పుడు time response, and the impulse signal time response. And the next topic, time response of second order system with different damped systems. So undamped system neta value. So the neta value is that changing the damped systems damping ratio. So the neta value equal to 0 undamped systems, neta value equal to 1 critically damped system, and the 0 less than neta less than 1 is underdamped systems, and the neta value is greater than 1 is overdamped systems. So calculate the time response of these 4 damped systems and the time domain specifications. What are the 5 time domain specifications? Delay time, rise time, peak overshoot, and the setting time. Derive these time domain specifications and solving the different problems in this very important. So meeku you classes lo 12 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పాను. ఆ 12 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ క్లియర్ గా నేర్చుకుంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు ఒక ప్రాబ్లం అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ సింపుల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓన్లీ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ఓన్లీ దీస్ 5 ఫార్ములాస్. స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ క్లోజ్డ్ లూప్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ సిస్టమ్, టైమ్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఆఫ్ అండర్ డాంప్డ్ సిస్టమ్, and the delay time, rise time, peak overshoot, and the setting time. Depends on all the problems, only these 7 problems. And type of the system and what is meant by order of the system. Type ante enti, order of the system ante enti. So in the type of the system, so the type 0 system will type 0 system find the steady state error. Type 1 system find the steady state error. Type 2 and the different inputs. Unit step signal, unit ramp signal, and the unit parabolic signals. Okay, Namma. Next, find the steady state error and the steady state error constants in the different problems. Okay, so these are the problems in third unit. Okay.